Huawei has just announced the release of the new FreeBuds 6. This represents the latest generation of their base headphones. It's important to note that these are not the Pro model, so they don't represent the most advanced features available. However, they are an intriguing option that maintains the same design style as the Huawei FreeBuds 5, featuring an open format with a drop shape. In this release, they are available in 3 distinct colors: purple, black, and white. In this generation, Huawei focused on making its headphones more compact and lighter, achieving a 12% reduction in the body size and 9% in weight. Each earbud weighs 4.9 grams, and the charging case weighs 40.3 grams. It supports touch gestures for playback control and more, offering all necessary controls at your fingertips. They also feature noise cancellation, which is quite interesting as they come in an open format without pads. Somehow they help reduce a bit of the noise that might be generated around you. However, they do not completely disconnect you from your surroundings, allowing you to still hear any kind of alert. According to Huawei, these are the industry's first headphones in a semi-open format that combine 2 highly sensitive acoustic units, which are more. A 14 Hz bass driver and a 48 kHz tweeter promise clear music with good bass. Noise cancellation hits 95 decibels, remarkable for this format. Besides Bluetooth, they have Nearlink, an improved version by Huawei open for any manufacturer to use. Although they are currently used only by Huawei thanks to Nearlink, these headphones can achieve a transmission quality of up to 203 megabits per second. This means they provide an exceptionally high audio quality of up to 48 kHz in 24 bits. Additionally, they come with spatial sound features when used together with Huawei's latest generation cell phones. They offer artificial intelligence capabilities that can translate calls or even translate a conversation in real time. Additionally, thanks to Nearlink technology, it extends its range to 50 meters. The battery life is 36 hours when using the charging case, and with just a 5-minute charge, it provides 2.5 hours of playback according to the manufacturer's data. What's even more intriguing is that it features intelligent charging, which learns the user's charging habits to enhance battery longevity, ensuring that over the years it maintains good autonomy. As per Huawei's data, this has been enhanced by 37%. So if you're among those users who keep their hearing aids connected for extended periods, these hearing aids will know how to take care of you. In China, these headphones have been introduced at a price of 999 yuan, which translates to approximately $138. However, do keep in mind that prices here might differ from those over there. It's likely that these headphones will soon have their global launch.